Okay, here is how we can track expenses and the profits. And we can do it by campaign, which can give us a lot of really useful reporting. So go into marketing receipts, and then you can add a receipt, and you pick which campaign, which these will be entered in by our marketing guys, and then amount spent, and save the receipt. So that's easy enough. And then when a deal closes, it may already be in contracts, but we can find it in the offers. And let's see, where is the right here, bingo, 55th. So this one is closing today, and when you go down, you go to offer accepted here, contract generated, and then over here it creates the actual contract. And then when you scroll down to the actual contract, it has the contract price from offer, and then you put the marketing final sales price. So my buyer is actually paying $97.55, but I have to pay a set of closing costs, which is around $1,400 or so dollars. So when I get the final amount, I want to make sure that it subtracts from this marketing final sales price. It subtracts the accepted contract price to get the correct profit. So I'm going to make sure that is equal. And then by doing that, then the reports can be accurate. And we can really find out what market, what campaign, what buyer, what property type. It just a lot of really useful information. So that's tracking expenses and profits in Podio to get really useful reporting.